Hello friends, today's video on the topic photosynthesis. So what is photosynthesis? It is a process by which green plants make their own food by using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. So here the photo means light and synthesis means to put together. So the leaves on the plants use. So here is a leaf. Leaf use the sunlight and the carbon dioxide through the stomata. Stomata are the pores under the every leaf. So there are the stomatas through which they take carbon dioxide from the air and water from the soil in the presence of sunlight, which is trapped by the green pigment known as the chlorophyll. Here is the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll is a pigment present in the leaves or the green stems which trapped the sunlight, and by using carbon dioxide and the water they make their food is known as photosynthesis. So water and minerals are absorbed by the soils through the roots and taken them to the leaves through stems, and the carbon dioxide is taken in by the leaves through stomatas. Sunlight is trapped by the chlorophyll when it falls on the leaves. The food is prepared in the form of glucose, which is a kind of a sugar. Okay, and during this process oxygen is released into the air, which is essential for the survival of the all the living beings. So here is the whole reaction, that is carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and the presence of chlorophyll will make glucose, and oxygen is released into the air. Okay, now the glucose made here are taken to the all parts of the plants through the stem, and this glucose is used for number one, कहाँ यूज आएगा? यूज इन getting energy. Second, producing more branches and leaves. Third, making flowers, fruits and seeds. Fourth one is repairing damaged parts. So these are the uses of the glucose. Okay, and what happens to the extra glucose if made by the leaves? So extra glucose is stored in the form of starch in the different parts of the plants like roots, leaf, stem, etc. Okay. And animals including humans eat these plant parts to for the survival. Okay, so this is the basic outline of the photosynthesis. That what is photosynthesis? It is a reaction of carbon dioxide plus water in the presence of sunlight and the chlorophyll, and the glucose and the oxygen is made by this reaction is known as a photosynthesis. Thank you.